Hey guys, it's Friday. Thank you very much for all your work this week. I had a quick training for you. It's going to be a 3-minuter. So I will jump right in and go real quick. Something that I've been noticing not only on our own websites, but also our customer websites is that we're utilizing out of the box design for our development projects. We're not an out-of-the-box design company. We are a custom development company. So if you're utilizing out-of-the-box styling or design or anything like that, think about it. The design elements in regards to our design team are only to get us 90% of the way there in regards to design. As we develop on the actual web page itself, we need to be conscious that we don't want to utilize out of the box design elements for things that make the site look special. So with that being said, I've made some updates to the Razor Sharp Networks website. As you can see here, we had some pages that we weren't maximizing. One of those pages is industries that we serve. At the bottom of the page, I've actually created a blog post, a magazine style, and then I've added custom styling on the pagination, all right, down at the bottom of the page. So as you can see here, this creates a really nice effect in regards to linking or surfacing additional information in regards to industry we serve. In addition to that, I've done that on our blog posts. And I've come in here and I've added the custom styling for pagination at the bottom of our related trainings, and then also past replays and things of that nature. And this was really easy to do. I actually just added this plugin here, WP Page Navi, to our WordPress site. And then I added a little CSS code snippet so that we could style this information. So Ronnie, what I'd like for you to do is go in, update all the page quote pages, make sure that you add all the quote sections in regards to related post content, make sure the pagination is enabled, follow the styling on the temptation quote that I sent here. I love quotes, a lot of really great information. If you haven't reviewed all the quotes we have on the site, I would highly encourage that you do that on a daily basis. As you do that, let's republish those, and those should be syndicated out into our social media site. So let's republish those and then make sure that they're set up to syndicate. And in addition to that, also, Ronnie, if you could go into the industries we serve, add the blog posts widget at the bottom of those, make sure pagination is enabled, set it up similar to the one on mobile automotive technicians, make sure that that is formatted correctly. And then lastly, I just updated the styling on paintless dent automotive hail repair companies. What is your marketing strategy? Ronnie, if you could, make sure that you review this. This is going to be our template moving forward. So right below the video, I added the author information, and then also the spoilers right below that from a time standpoint. Then we got the description here to help out with SEO, of course, the transcript. And then we get into our call to action, initial call to action, and then related training. So this is going to be categorized based on the category of the content, of the main content on the page. So we want to make sure that we have related training in there. And then at the very bottom of the page, past replays, we want to make sure that we have past replays and that the pagination is set up for past replays as well. That should give us a really nice format in regards to our blog posts. Ronnie, if you could go in there, make sure that you're following that format on a go forward, and then also make sure that we update all of our posts, all of our historical posts. That would be fantastic. I truly appreciate that. And let me know if anybody has any questions. Make it a fantastic weekend. That's your training for today in 3 minutes or less. Let me know what you think. Give me your feedback, and let's go out and build something legendary. Be well. I'll talk with you real soon. Soon. Not soon. Soon.